Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to replace Nissan Altima windshield wipers. First, prepare by finding the correct blade sizes and tools, then park on a level surface and turn off the car. Next, lift the wiper arms carefully, inspect the connector type, and choose the proper adapter if needed. I will walk you through removing the old blades, fitting the new ones, and testing each wiper for secure fit and smooth operation. Start by lifting the wiper arm until it stays raised and you can access the connector easily. Locate the release tab or locking clip, press it, and slide the old blade off the arm with a gentle motion. If the arm resists, support it to avoid snapping back. Once removed, inspect the arm and connector for damage, then clean any debris from the windshield edge before installing the replacement blade. Align the replacement blade adapter to the wiper arm type, ensuring the notches match correctly before pressing them together. Slide the blade into the connector until you hear or feel a firm click, confirming it is locked in place and safe to use. Gently lower the arm back to the glass to prevent a hard snap, then repeat for the other blade, and test the wipers on low speed to confirm proper installation and sweep coverage.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.